Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be my October BoxyCharm unboxing. Yeah, so I got this a while ago, but I just haven't had the time to actually film this video. So I had to like prioritize and say, okay, today's the day. I haven't opened it yet, so it is going to be a first impression. The usual how it looks. Alright, so it says BoxyCharm Spellbound, obviously because of October being the month of Halloween. So spellbound, I'm assuming, you know. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone's doing well. Okay, so the first product that I see here is by Laura Geller, and I really love her products. The last month, I believe I got, if I remember, it was an eyeshadow palette, was it? And it was really, really good, very pigmented, blends really nicely. So I'm very excited for this because this is a skin perfecting primer. It says that it hydrates, moisturizes, and replenishes. It's a 2 fluid ounce container. It's a pump actually. It would have been dope if it had SPF because I'm trying to like be better. But it's supposed to give a natural dewy look. So this is great for every day. I do have combination oily skin, so we'll see how this works with me because your girl could get real shiny. But hopefully this is not going to do that to me. So it says it improves foundation application and wear and keeps your face feeling fresh all day. It's funny because the foundations that I wear are normally drugstore. I'll do Estee Lauder from time to time. I just ran out of my double wear, which I really like. I think it's an amazing foundation, but I would usually wear drugstore foundations and I don't have any problems with getting super shiny throughout the day. They're really good, you know. So we're gonna try that anyway, obviously, to see what's up. The next product, get it out. Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. Ooh, we love highlighter palettes. I love highlighter. Ooh, this is so pretty. So these are the highlighters. So these highlighters look really, really nice. I don't really play around with, because this is like purple, orange. This one is more of something that I wear often. And I like the names of them. So the pink one is Oh Honey, then it's Queen Being, Beyonce. Spoiler alert, and Be Sweet, but B is spelled like B-E-E. This is perfect for travel, I think. I told myself that next year I'm gonna definitely travel more because, you know, these past 2 years have been so weird, you know, with everything going on with the world. So I haven't traveled, but ooh, we got some lashes. So this is by Camera Antique, I believe the name of this. Antique. I don't even know how to say that. It's pronounced A-U-N, well, it's spelled, I'm sorry, pronounced. It's spelled A-U-N-I-Q-U-E, yeah. I love lashes. Obviously, I have lashes on right now. I don't wear lashes often. Every day, I don't wear lashes. But if I'm filming or if I'm going out with my friends, I love these. These look more natural than the ones that I have on right now. So the next product we have is this adhesive liquid eyeliner in jet black. It's by the company Appeal. Never heard of them, but I always like eyeliners. Let me open it and see what's up. Ooh, and it's a felt tip and it looks like a, yeah, it's sturdy and it's really black. And the last product we have is a Lash and Brow Duo. It says black mascara. So let's see. This is by the company TYNT. Never heard of it. Brown brow gel black mascara. Oh, that's dope. So it's a duo, like it says. So on one end, oh, it's a twist. One end it's a mascara. Wow, the mascara looks really good. One end is a mascara, and then on another end it is a brow. Wow, this is really thick though. I'm gonna try it. It's like brown. It's a thick. I'm scared. My eyebrows gonna look real. So that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Super quick. I feel so embarrassed of not well, not embarrassed, but you know, life gets in the way of your goals, and you know, YouTube is one of my goals, so I do want to prioritize it. You know, I want to prioritize it, so we are going to work on that. I'm going to see about filming another video tomorrow. I want to try to film at least 2 videos a week, so that's going to be my goal for the month. Well, no, for the rest of the year, for the rest of ever, like minimum 2 videos. I feel like it's doable, you know, for me. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you liked in this box. I am happy with everything, so I will continue to subscribe, and we'll see what's up for the month of November. I hope you guys are having a great day. Yeah, I was about to say have a happy Halloween, but no, your girl's gonna film a video before Halloween, so you shall see me again. But yeah, have a lovely day, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.